Natural medicine, and herbal medicine in particular, have become increasingly popular in the last few years, and the internet is full of information on the uses of herbs and other natural remedies. Unfortunately, most of this information is based on a medical model of treating disease rather than a holistic model of actually trying to heal people. In other words, people are trying to use natural remedies in place of drugs. The problem is that drugs are primarily targeted at relieving symptoms. In other words, managing the symptoms of a disease. And just trying to use herbs using the same model means you're trying to use herbs and natural remedies to manage the symptoms of a disease. Just listen to the drug commercials. They're always talking about relieving symptoms, never about actually curing the problem. I do understand why people take this approach. I did a similar thing when I was first experimenting with using natural remedies. That was 45 years ago. Back then, I'd look up a disease in a book and see what herbs had been historically used to treat it. Today, people are taking a similar approach, only they're searching on the internet to find out what herbs and supplements have been researched to be helpful for a particular disease. But in both the old historical uses approach and the newer evidence-based approach, they're still treating disease, which basically means they're treating symptoms. There is another approach, a health-building approach, where the focus is not on the disease, but rather on treating the person who has the disease. Since most people are not familiar with the difference between these two approaches, I've created a free webinar that helps explain the differences. If you're ready to shift from treating symptoms to helping restore the body to health with natural remedies, click the link below and sign up for this free webinar. If you can't attend live, don't worry. It will be recorded and you'll be sent a link to the recording. I hope you'll join me so I can share this valuable information with you.